Are you getting an error while posting an Instagram reel with a long caption? For example, like here, I want to add this thumbnail as a reel. Just click on next. Then I add here a description and title. Then go a little down, and here's the problem in threads. Reels with captions that are more than 50,000 characters cannot be shared on Instagram threads. Instagram has a character limit for captions. If your reel caption is too long, Instagram will not allow the reel to be shared. This problem usually happen when a user pastes very long text like here, copied articles or long notes into caption section. So if you want to fix this, you need to shorten your caption and keep only important points. Okay, for example, I just add a this is like my title, then add some description, then add just 2 3 4 5 hashtags like there. Okay, once you shorten your caption and remember to short your caption, title, description, then you can easily fix this problem and share it on your threads account easily. It's not a big problem. You just need to shorten your description, you just need to shorten your title, tags and your caption. So guys, this short video is helped you, I hope. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye, best of luck.